Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Nancy Hendricks with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2. Really happy to be here with you today on this beautiful day and showing you this beautiful two-story home on 6444 Piccadilly Lane in beautiful MetroWest. As you all know, MetroWest is really a great area, very close to everything, all the entertainment. You will be able to see Universal and even downtown Orlando from here. Now, as I said, here we have this beautiful two-story home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on 1,937 square feet. Come with me and check it out. Welcome in. So here on our right-hand side, we have this beautiful, cozy sitting corner, which you can have as your reading corner. You can have music instruments, you know, family gathering area. And then here to our left, we have the formal dining room, which leads straight into the kitchen area. And here we have this extensive kitchen with beautiful granite countertops. This was all upgraded here, and the stainless steel appliances. We have directly here our laundry area and the access to the garage, so you can come straight in from your garage into your living space. Here on our right-hand side, we have this cute little desk where you can do some extra work, you have some extra space there. And this is actually the main gathering area for the family. As you can see, a beautiful big table fits in here. And the best part is also the view, which we will show you a bit later, that you will so much enjoy. And then from here, we go straight into the living room, and we have these huge ceilings. So apart from your AC, you have also your ceiling fans for some extra air there. And then from here, you have also your master bedroom with a directly ground floor. And then here again, we get these high ceilings and that extra space, that extra loft up there, which you can set up as an office area for you, an extra hobby area to work out from. And then all the rest of the upstairs, where you can see that little bridge that takes you to the other 3 bedrooms. Now let's go check out the back, because you won't believe that view that we can show you there. So here we are, the best part of this beautiful home. I have no words for it. It's a huge screened-in back porch. As you can see, lots of entertainment space, a great area to put your fire pit, especially now with the days getting a little bit cooler. You will really enjoy this. Great place for barbecuing. And then this view is really the best part of this whole scene. Right now, daytime, but wait until it's sunset. You will so enjoy these beautiful views. So again, here we are. This is Nancy Hendricks with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2. We're at 6444 Piccadilly Lane in beautiful MetroWest. Make sure to come and see us. Thank you so much for following us.